Hi, I'm Bill Kesterkey with Key Exteriors. We're standing in front of the 2018 Exterior Home Makeover Winner, Jill Mills, on Larry Drive in Fort Wayne, Indiana. When we started this project and Jill won the prize, she was very happy and surprised, but she had an old house. White windows, white siding, some sort of beige brick, and black shutters. We changed everything about this, put a new roof on, which has brown and blue in it, put new siding on to match up with the roof, and the stone has blue and brown in it. Plus, we built a new front porch on to totally change the look of the house, and a new door, stained walnut, and an overhead garage door to match, plus the gutters and downspouts. That's a quick overview. We made her home into a brand new home, and Jill couldn't be happier. If you'd like to sign up for the 2019 Home Makeover, just go to keyexteriors.com, fill out a form, send it in, and we'll see, maybe next year you may be the big winner.